Everybody, welcome back to another video. So I'm doing a food review at Fantasy Island. So you can see behind me, we've actually got the traditional fish and chip shop. So Mrs. M's. So I think there used to be one across the road, I'm not too sure. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try some food out in Fantasy Island because I don't think we've ever done this before. And I thought it'd be a good idea to have some fish and chips from here because they do look really nice. The place looked absolutely stunning as well, doesn't it? Yeah. So it opened, I think it opened at the beginning of the year. And I've been meaning to come all summer, but you know I've been so busy doing all the fish and chip reviews, and you do know I like my fish and chips. So Sam and Tracy have actually got a table. We're going to go in there. We're going to sit with Sam and Tracy. We're going to order some fish and chips, and we're going to have some mushy peas, curry sauce, and baked beans as well. We're going to give it a vote. So what we'll do, we'll give it a vote for 1 out of 10 for the food itself. We're going to vote for the staff, and we're going to vote for the cleanliness as well. So yeah, come and join us at Mrs. M's Fish and Chip Shop in Fantasy Island. Come on. Right, so I've met up with Tracy and Sam. So hey, check out the hoodies though, yeah? Neil Arts Grace's Adventures hoodies, eh?
Check them out.
Hey. So if you need one of these hoodies, just go on my YouTube page and you'll see my little shop there, and they're up for sale. T-shirts, all sorts of different stuff as well. Right, so we're in Fantasy Island, and we thought it'd be a good idea to show you people out there who watch all the videos where it is nice to go and eat in Fantasy Island. So this fish and chip shop was actually opened at, I think it was the beginning of the year, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I'm sure
I've recently
it was.
done it up, yeah.
Yeah, so what we thought we'd do, we'll show you what it's like, we'll taste it, we're going to give it a mark. So like I said outside, we're going to give it a mark for the staff, we're going to give it a mark for the cleanliness, and we're going to give it a mark for the fish and chips as well. Yeah?
Yep.
All sorts. So it'll be out of 10. So 1 to 10. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you the menu as well. So we're actually having fish and chips, all of us. So we've picked mushy peas, curry sauce, and beans as well. So we'll try a little bit of each one. If you like, do you like them all? All that? Don't tell me you don't like something.
But mushy peas are too bad.
You like beans?
Yeah.
She likes beans. You like your curry?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You can try a little bit, can't you?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's better for all three of us to actually decide what it's actually like for you guys, you know, to come in. So you can actually get through the pyramid into here, or you can come off straight off the road, where the big Fantasy Island is, underneath the Millennium roller coaster. Right, let's have a look at the menu and let's wait for our fish and chips to come. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Right, so we've got a family in here and they're having the fish and chips. So what did you think to your fish and chips? So we ask you, what's your name?
Nancy.
Nancy. Look at the camera, Nancy. Wave.
We used to
Whee! Yeah, so what did you think to your fish and chips, Nancy?
Good.
Very good. She said they're very good. She's quiet, isn't she? What about you? What did you have, fish and chips?
I had nuggets and chips.
Nuggets and chips, and was they good?
Yeah.
Yeah? And how about Mum?
We had fish and chips, yeah, we had the family deal.
Yeah?
It was lovely.
No, he's lost his voice.
He needs to have his Zodiac.
Yeah. Have you been on all the rides today? Oh,
No,
not
just
yet.
got it.
You haven't just got here? Right. Well, the rides are slow open. The Millennium's open until 8 o'clock tonight if you want to come on with me, all of you. Yeah. We've been on it twice already. We've been soaking wet through as well. It's like chucked it down earlier, but... So all the food was good in here, yeah? So
Yeah.
we can...
Really reasonable as well.
Yeah, and we
30
can...
quid for
30 quid for all of you? Good stuff. So we can tell all the audience, yeah?
Yeah.
If they're coming to if they're coming to Fantasy Island to come and get some fish and chips from Mrs. M's, yeah?
Mrs. M's fish
Yeah.
and chips.
Give it all a
Family
thumbs
meal.
up for me. Give us a thumbs up.
Woo.
Nice meeting you guys.
No worries.
He's got his pop.
He's got his Zodiac. You're going to be crying in a minute. You're having
Oh,
your ears pierced.
right, she. Right, thanks guys. Nice meeting you. Brilliant. So guys, we've got our fish and chips. But, hey, look at Sam's.
I know, it's looking
Hey,
good.
yeah, it's, he's got a right big tail on that one, hasn't it? Show him yours, Tracy, as well. Right, let's show everybody our fish and chips. Don't stop laughing at Tracy's. What do you reckon? It looks good though, doesn't it?
It does.
A bit like a thumbs up.
Yeah, like a thumbs up. So the chips look really fresh as well.
Yeah.
You know, we're actually here at tea time, so they've been cooking all day long, been really busy. It's been really full in here as well. So what we're going to go for, we've got the mushy peas. We've also got the beans, and we've got the curry sauce. So we're going to all have a try, see what we think. Yeah. Right. Let's have a look at the fish first, shall we? So tuck into your fish. You've got a bit of tartar sauce there as well.
Nice.
You're having some tartar sauce on it.
Yeah, I'll have some on mine.
So we've done quite a few fish and chip reviews before, haven't we? How many have we done? Have we done 2 or 1? I can't remember now.
I think
We
we've
did,
done
have we done 2?
We did Gray's chippy, didn't we?
Yeah, we did Gray's
Gray's.
chipper. Yeah, so check out them other videos what we've done. We have done quite a few together. But we had I think we did the hot dog together as well, didn't we? Yeah, usually do. Yeah. So we do. Me and Tracy and Sam have done quite a bit on Anchor Lane. If you don't know, you're thinking who Tracy and Sam are, they actually do help me a lot with my YouTube channel. Tell me when I'm saying the wrong thing, doing the wrong thing, and telling me when to up my game a little bit.
That's
and
it.
add more content, giving me some really good ideas. So I've known Sam and Tracy for a year and a half more now, and they've turned into some really good friends. Yeah. Well, I'm going to make her cry now. Calm down, Tracy. Right, let's try then. Right, let's get some vinegar on. Right. Do you have salt and vinegar? Because it's fish now, look. I don't have the salt. Right, let's have a look at the fish. So the batter is really nice and crispy as well. So that's the fish. Nice white fish. So this is just the tail end of it. Bit too much there. That was nice. Come on, what do you think, man?
Good, the batter's really fresh. Nice
Yeah,
and crispy.
it is nice and crispy.
Fish is
The batter
really
is.
good.
The fish is really tasty. So I'm not sure where the fish actually comes from. It's not frozen, it is actually fresh.
It's got a really thin layer of batter. It's really crisp and not too heavy.
Yeah, it's really nice, that is.
Yeah. It's really good.
Right, the chips look really good as well. So yeah, not burnt, and they're freshly cooked. They're not oven chips, frozen chips, or anything like that.
Really nice.
Hey, they're really fluffy as well. Nicely fried. They're really good. As you know, I eat a lot of fish and chips, so I go to a lot of places. It's not very often I go to a fish and chip restaurant where they've been disgusting. I've always been to somewhere, everywhere I've been, they've always been nice. And I will be honest, if I do come across a fish and chip shop and I'm not happy about it, I will tell you, I will give it a mark, and I will give it a low mark, but I will also tell the owners. I won't, because I'm not that sort of person. I'm not going to rip into people just when it's bad. I think a bit of advice of somebody like us YouTubers is better than pulling the people down just to get the views.
Yeah.
So yeah, do you agree on that, don't you?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Right, so I'm going to try the beans first.
Oh, they're good.
Is everything okay for you?
That's beautiful, thank you. Yeah, it's lovely. It looks absolutely great. So the staff are really kind as well. So I don't know if she heard me say we was going to give marks for the staff as well. She's gone all embarrassed now. Right. Beans are good. Yeah.
It's like the regular, the size of fish.
Mushy
Yeah.
peas. Oops. I've got mushy peas. Not fluorescent ones. They're good too. So let's try the curry sauce. We're all going to have a dip. Yeah, so the curry sauce. That's nice.
Like that.
Right, go on, you two. So have your, yeah. Curry sauce good? Was your curry sauce good?
was
Yeah,
good, yeah.
Yeah.
Proper traditional
Proper
curry
fish and
sauce.
chip shop curry sauce. Yeah. What about the beans? Are you going to have some mushy peas, Tracy?
I'm not a big fan of mushy peas,
Not
so
big-
I would say.
Good.
No, not a big fan of mushy peas. I like them all.
That's
But,
all
but
right.
this
that
is good as having all three together, isn't it? Yeah, and all us three doing it. So just one person. So, like I say, I've been meaning to do this for all through the summer, and I just haven't had a chance to get here. But we've had the day on all the rides, so I thought, you know what, we'll go and do a fish and chip review at Mrs. M's. It is Mrs. M's,
Mrs.
isn't it?
M.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mrs.
Mrs.
M
M's.
too.
Mrs. M2. Oh, so the Mrs. M one's across the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Now I thought there was one across the road. I did say dinner earlier, but yeah, what do you reckon to them? Yeah, do you want
All
to?
good, all
Do you want to put whatever you want on then? So I'm going to have the beans.
I'll go for the peas.
You're having the peas, and Tracy's having the curry sauce.
Thank you.
Right, leave us to tuck into this, and we'll give it a mark at the end. So, just finishing up with the last chip. These two are wet there.
Yeah, I'll finish mine.
I've been talking.
So it's good. Ain't left much
Show
on my plate.
As you can see, the plate tells a story, but the food was good. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we always say, don't we? So they was actually good. So first, Sam, what did you think? Would you think that was really nice?
It was really nice. Thought the portion was really good for a regular. as
Yeah, it was
well.
only a regular.
So, and batter was crispy.
Yeah,
Chips were really nice. Oh, well, like I say, I've eaten it all.
yeah.
so
Was hungry though. What about you, Tracy?
Definitely on point.
Yeah.
Batter was fresh on the fish.
Yeah.
Nice and light, crispy, not heavy.
Yeah,
Chips were bang on. Just
yeah,
very good portion size as well.
yeah. For a regular portion, that was a lot. That's just enough for me. I always say this. You know, I've got a big belly, but I don't eat a lot. As you know, I don't eat many fish and chips. Promise you. But yeah, really good stuff. So we had mushy peas. They was good as well. The
Yeah.
curry sauce was excellent, and the beans was as well. And it was all nice, warm as well. Nice and
Yeah.
warm.
Hot
Yeah,
plates came on, hot, warm plates.
Hot plates
Yeah.
as well. So this actually came to, we had 3 fish and chips, beans, curry sauce, and mushy peas, and we've all got a bottle of pop, and it only comes 40 quid. Can't go wrong there, can you? To sit in and have a meal on a plate and have all that food with all the different sauces, whatever, yeah, you can't go wrong for 40 quid. That was
No,
really
it's
nice. I
stuff-
mean, down there, the table down there, they had a family meal, and theirs was £30, which is really good. And that was, I think there's 4 of them as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll have a. Do you want to? Shall we give it a mark now? Yeah. So we'll start with the staff. So you haven't seen much of the staff. I've seen a lot more of the staff, but one of the girls did come to ask us if we was okay and the food was fine, which is a really nice thing to do. You know, people appreciate that. They come
That's
say,
it.
you know. But yeah, it's really nice for you to come do that. So the staff, and I've had all the smiles from them as well, and there's no grumpy ones or anything like that. I'm going to give them a 10. I know people say, oh, you always give them a 10, but I'm going to give them a 10 because I cannot give them a 5 when they're really nice people and they look after you. So I'm giving them a 10. What do you think?
I'd agree with you on
Yeah.
that. They brought the food over nice and quickly. They were friendly.
Yeah.
Kinda
Yeah,
checked on us.
yeah. Cleanliness of the place as well, right? So this is the end of the day nearly. So you'd have thought the place had been in a right state, wouldn't you? You know, people coming in. They must have been so busy today because there's Halloween stuff's going off at Fantasy Island, Fair Island. So you thought it'd be messy. But somebody must be going around cleaning all the tables. So all the tables are clean and tidy. The floors are clean. There's no rubbish about or anything. So as soon as somebody's had the food, they clear it away, which is really good as well. So I'm going to give them a 10 for that as well, because for being at this time, what time are we at? We're at 6:15. So like I say, there's been thousands, probably 1,000 people in here today, I bet. Must have done, because it's been so busy.
I've seen it busy all day.
Yeah, and when it rained, everybody came inside, so I bet they all come and have fish and chips. So I'm going to give them a 10. I'm going to give you 10 for that as well. Yeah, what do you think?
I think so. 10,
Yeah.
yeah, it's nice
10
in there
as
as well.
well. Yeah.
It's a nice,
Working hard all
sitting
day.
area.
So if we're being truthful here, we're not getting it for free and giving them 10. We've actually paid for it ourselves, and that's how I always do. Because if they're going to give it for you free, they expect you to give them a 10. And also we said, as it comes, do not put more on our plate. Don't do anything different, because people will say, well, I went in there and it didn't look nothing like yours. So I told them not to do that, and I do say that to a lot of people as well. So let's give it a mark out of 10 for the food itself.
I'm going to say a strong 8. A strong 8, definitely.
A strong 8?
Yeah, it could be higher. But you can't always have perfection, but it was
Yeah.
not far off, I've got to say.
A strong 8?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you?
So about 9.
A 9?
Definitely a 9.
Is there any bad points, or why you give it a 9?
I'd say because it was a bit too much.
Too much?
Slightly too big.
That's
I'm
not
literally-
exactly,
much, that's not a
bad
point.
criticism, is it?
Yeah, with criticism if the chips are horrible, the batter, or anything like that. I didn't think any of it.
I struggled.
You struggled
eat
to
what I
eat,
did,
yeah,
so-
yeah. So you had too much.
Yeah.
She's going red now. Yeah, but I go around all loads of places having fish and chips, and this was really good. I have really enjoyed this. Because the batter, the fish, tasty, proper chips. I'm going to give it a 10. Definitely a 10. So 10, 9, 8. Can't go wrong with that, can we?
I'd
eh?
say bang on, I'd recommend you come and eat here.
So we're in Fantasy Island. We're under the Fear Island sign. The place is Mrs. What's it?
Mrs. M.
Mrs. I got it wrong. Mrs. M2's. And right underneath the Fantasy Island sign, where the Millennium is. And like I said earlier, you can get through the pyramid to get to it, or come through that bit. But yeah, great stuff. So really enjoyed that.
Yep.
You enjoyed it, guys?
Brilliant.
Yeah,
Thank you. Brilliant.
Recommend it. Right, thanks for looking. Thanks for looking at us eat this as well. Hope we want too messy. And don't forget to check out all my other videos, all my other food reviews that I do as well. So I've done loads in Skegness. So there's quite a few bluefin and trawlers catching and all places like that. But so everybody has their own opinions on the fish and chip shop. So I go in and I'll check them out to see what they're like for myself. And then people will say, oh no, that's not the best, this is the best. And then they'll say, oh no, the other one's the best. Everybody has their own opinions. Everybody goes in different times. You can go and have a bad meal, or you can go and have a good meal. But up to now, I have really good meals in Skegness. I really enjoy Skegness. Excuse me. I really enjoy Skegness. I have a lot of fun in Skegness, and I've got a lot of friends. Right, before we go, what do we do, Sam?
I'm going to like.
Subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up. Right, see you in the next movie. Thank you for tuning in. I always say movie, we're like film stars. See you in the next video, and we'll see you on that next adventure, and we'll see you all soon, guys. Thank you very much.
Neil R, a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's towns to the salty seas. He's the one who takes the leap in places where the waves do sweep. With every step and every view, Neil R.